HomeStory of Marin offers a quick and effective way to transform your entire home. Our door measuring technology allows us to create a perfect, custom-fitting door every time. Here is a video of a typical installation we finished in Novato. Damon and Enrique remove the old door and place it onto the truck. The new door with factory-applied paint is unloaded. Then the new door is positioned into the door frame and secured using new hinges in an oil-rubbed bronze finish. This is our Cambridge-style door, which is a very popular choice. Once the door is in place, Damon installs the lever in the same oil-rubbed bronze finish to match the hinges. This finish is just one of the many hardware finishes that we offer. The lever is the Torino lever from our new Dexter hardware line, which is made by Schlag. Enrique then fits this particular door with a door shoe and a key since it's a garage door. After that, Damon adjusts the spring tension so that the door will automatically close. The door is tested a few times to ensure that it fits correctly. Finally, they complete a walkthrough with the client to make sure every door fits perfectly. We hope you enjoyed this brief video on how HomeStory can transform your entire home.